Today, I'm customizing the colon and semicolon keys to look like the old smiley faces people used to do before emojis were a thing. And I'm going to start by sanding the key and painting the surface white to make sure that it's one solid color before we draw on the keys. Don't forget to drop a comment for what key you want to see me do next. I only have a few more left to do until this one is complete. And don't worry, we're going to be starting a new series. After adding 2 coats of white, it's time to add the colon and the semicolon, and then the parentheses to finish off the face. As always, we have to test out the clickiness. Don't forget to have a great day. Peace out.